Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's begin. This design showcases a meticulously crafted approach to creating a dynamic, visually rich user interface using Figma, integrating a blend of media and 3D elements for an immersive experience. As shown in the screen, the required assets comprise a GIF used as a background video to set an energetic and captivating scene, complemented by crisp, high-quality images for background sections that add depth and richness to the layout. To further elevate the design, isometric images are introduced, providing a realistic 3D feel that creates a sense of space and structure within the composition. The Y component in this design is built with precision, first utilizing Ctrl+Shift+A to enable auto layout for clean, adaptive spacing and consistency, and then incorporating an animated background within another Y variant, making it stand out visually. An intentional bottom padding of 10 ensures a balanced and well-spaced layout throughout. This screen of the design showcases a sleek and highly professional layout, meticulously crafted in Figma to create an elegant, immersive user experience for a premium real estate and hospitality website. At its core, a captivating GIF background is used to set a dynamic and upscale visual tone, immediately drawing the viewer's attention. To ensure readability and balance, a semi-transparent overlay, a light blackish rectangle set to roughly 60% opacity, is added atop the GIF, creating depth and contrast for the elements placed on it. The header section is thoughtfully structured, featuring the brand's logo on the left, followed by clearly defined navigation links: home, about, our services, our commitment, experience, and contact, arranged horizontally for seamless accessibility. To give the page a modern, interactive flair, a Y component is added as a design element, making the layout more dynamic and memorable. Each element is placed with precision, ensuring a balanced, harmonious composition that guides the viewer's eye naturally across the screen. This screen showcases an elegant About Us section, designed in Figma to highlight the brand's premium identity. The rich hashtag 222831 background creates a sleek, authoritative feel, while the left side features a striking building image with a 60% transparent black overlay, adding depth and sophistication. This screen showcases a beautifully crafted design that emphasizes the brand's luxurious and professional feel. The layout is built upon a rich background image of a modern home, complemented by a subtle translucent overlay for depth. At the top, the headline "Timeless Design" is elegantly presented, setting the theme for the section. The layout features three interactive elements. First, our latest project, housed in a sleek, rounded square box using a glass morphism effect, enhanced by an isometric 3D image for a dynamic, high-end feel. This is the footer UI I designed in Figma, featuring a modern and dynamic layout that blends aesthetics with functionality. The top half uses a full-width luxury villa image as a background, creating a seamless and futuristic transition into the footer. A soft curved mask separates the sections smoothly. The footer is divided into four parts: brand identity, contact info with icons, useful links, and social media with a newsletter form. The dark theme with blue accents, clean typography, and balanced spacing ensures a polished, accessible, and professional look that aligns with modern UI/UX standards. Let's begin the prototype part, where I transformed static design into a fully interactive and visually immersive experience using Figma's prototyping tools. This project focuses on creating a futuristic, dynamic UI for a real estate and hospitality-themed digital platform. My goal was to elevate the user journey by combining smart UI principles, motion design, and interactive storytelling. As visible in the screen, the flow connects a series of high-fidelity screens through smooth navigation paths, guiding the user through various stages of interaction with clarity and elegance. I used smart animate and after-delay triggers to introduce continuity and cinematic transitions between sections, giving each element, from text blocks to imagery, a refined entrance and exit. To add depth and a modern feel, I incorporated parallax scrolling effects conceptually in the prototype design. This adds a layered visual movement as the user scrolls, making background imagery move slower than the foreground to create a sense of motion and dimension, something particularly impactful in real estate and hotel-based websites, where ambience and visual experience matter. Each screen starts with immersive hero sections, bold typography, and ambient luxury visuals that reflect professionalism and premium quality. The flow then transitions into functional content areas like About Us, Our Commitment, Experience, and Services, each accompanied by subtle animations that enhance readability and focus. The final section is a futuristic footer placed just below a curved background luxury image, serving both visual and functional roles. This section includes 4 well-structured columns: brand identity with the logo and brief description, contact information paired with icons, useful resource links, and a social media block with a newsletter subscription form. The visual contrast between the dark footer theme and the sharp imagery above helps ground the overall user interface while reinforcing brand consistency. Throughout the prototype, I made use of interactive keywords and micro-interactions like button hover states, smooth slide-ins, and fades that subtly guide user attention without overwhelming them. This level of detail ensures that every interaction feels deliberate and polished. The animations aren't just decorative, they follow a design logic that enhances usability and flow. The prototype is optimized for storytelling, taking users from the first impression to final engagement points naturally. From a technical design perspective, I followed best practices using auto layouts, grids, and consistent spacing to ensure responsiveness and structure. The visual language, clean sans serif fonts, muted background overlays, sharp imagery, and blue accent colors maintains a professional and modern tone across screens. By leveraging Figma's native prototype tools, I could simulate real user interactions without any external tools or code, making the experience as close to a functioning product as possible. In summary, this prototype demonstrates not just my proficiency in UI/UX design but also my ability to integrate motion, interactivity, and storytelling to create a cohesive and engaging digital experience. It reflects a solid understanding of user behavior, design trends, and the importance of emotion and flow in interface design. Whether it's for real estate, hospitality, or any modern digital platform, this prototype stands as a testament to my capability to design with purpose, style, and professionalism using Figma. In conclusion, this is the complete UI I designed in Figma for a premium real estate and hospitality platform, showcasing a well-thought-out and visually engaging user experience from start to finish. The project was created with a focus on clean structure, modern aesthetics, and smooth interaction patterns that provide users with a sense of clarity and elegance. The prototype begins with immersive cityscape landing screens, giving an atmospheric, futuristic introduction that reflects scale, growth, and ambition. These initial visuals set the emotional tone of the brand, drawing the user into the story. As the journey progresses, a minimalist top navigation appears, offering easy access to the core sections such as About, Services, Commitment, Experience, and Contact. Each screen transitions using smart animate and after-delay triggers, creating a seamless and cinematic flow that makes every movement between frames feel intentional and refined. In several areas, I've implemented the concept of parallax scrolling, visually separating background imagery from foreground content to add a sense of depth and dimension. The About section is clean and content-driven, using a split layout of architectural photography and descriptive text to create balance. This is followed by a high-impact Services section, where visually striking property images are combined with minimal UI overlays, showcasing the power of visual hierarchy and storytelling through design. As the user scrolls, the brand personality is maintained consistently through a dark theme, paired with blue accents, luxury-style imagery, and clean sans serif typography, which together build a sleek and trustworthy identity. The layout is aligned using grids and auto layouts to ensure adaptability and a developer-friendly structure. The final part of the design is a futuristic footer, placed beneath a soft curved property image, creating a fluid and engaging transition into the contact area. This footer includes all essential user elements: logo, short brand info, full contact details, navigation links, social media integration, and a newsletter subscription form, crafted to keep users engaged and informed. Throughout this project, I focused on creating not just beautiful screens, but a functional and immersive experience that responds to user behavior. From motion and feedback to spacing and flow, every decision was made to enhance usability and storytelling. This UI system demonstrates my capability to deliver end-to-end digital design, from wireframe logic to visual polish, using Figma's powerful design and prototype features. It reflects my growing expertise as a UI/UX designer, my ability to work with real-world design goals, and my passion for building experiences that are not just seen, but felt. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to explore this design journey with me. In this video, you've learned how to create a seamless and visually captivating e-commerce experience, from crafting bold hero sections and interactive category layouts to building a beautiful, functional footer that leaves a lasting impression. We've talked about focusing on details like color balance, crisp typography, and making sure every element serves a purpose for both aesthetics and usability. Thank you once again for watching, and I'm excited to see you create amazing designs of your own. Keep learning, stay passionate, and never stop designing.